I was learning photography, I travelled around pretty much every valley, dale, cove, coast of Yorkshire and photographed them. And that was a brilliant way of, getting away for a day, discovering somewhere great and photographing something beautiful. So the landscape workshops are all about recapturing that, but sharing it with other people. So I'll be taking people to Swelldale, Wensleydale, Ribblesdale, all the dales, along the coast, into the lakes, up to Northumberland, all these wonderful places. That's why I do these workshops. It's just to show people places I learned. They're aimed at pretty much any level of photography, to be honest, because professionals come on them, because not all professionals are landscape people. They might be professional commercial photographers, for instance. We're talking about different things to them. So an absolute beginner, I'll just be going through the basics of how to use a camera, how to use a tripod, because they've probably never seen one before. I'll show them how filters work and just answer any questions they've got. Most people who come on them are probably what you would say enthusiasts. They've probably spent $1,000 or $2,000 on a camera, they've probably got a tripod already, they've probably got a couple of lenses, and they've probably got a head full of questions they want answering, that's what I'm there for. Most of the day will be spent going around each person, chatting to them. Yeah, we can do one-on-one coaching on all kinds of photography. I've got a load of models who we can call upon if you want to do a little bit of portrait photography. If you want to learn about flash, I can lend you my kit and we can flash photograph people or bowls of fruit or whatever you want to do. If you want to learn about architecture, we can pop somewhere really cool like Manchester. They've got some great skyscrapers there these days. And if you want to learn about landscape, we're only an hour away from the Yorkshire Dales. Got hundreds of YouTube videos which are readily available for people to look at if they want to get some free advice. But I do also do one-to-one training. I've can go around to people's houses if they want, if they're setting up for the first time. It can be a bit daunting. Things like Lightroom, its learning curve is very steep, and people might get lost on the first steps. Or if it's a more advanced question, we can probably do it over Zoom. Yeah, we love doing portrait photography. It's one of my favourite things to teach, really, because there's such a buzz about the place. I've got 3 or 4 models who just love being photographed, and we spend usually Wednesday evenings in the summer months. So we take them to places around Leeds city centre or just outside Leeds. I show people how to position people in the photos, what settings to use on the cameras, what lenses to use the long lens, zoom in on people. And then by the end of 4 or 5 sessions, most people have learned quite a lot, and they've actually formed a relationship with the models. More advanced people, or people want to go a bit further, can start learning about flash.